Today we've got this M18 12ah high output battery, and it's showing 3 bars. It will power, feels okay. However, if you put this in the charge, you get the green and red flashing light that shows a fault within the battery, and this battery will not charge. What I'm going to do now is take this battery apart to show you what is actually wrong with it and why it won't charge. With the lid off this battery, I'm going to show you what's wrong. I'll get it right up here. If you look in there, there's a burnt component in the board, and that's what's stopping this battery from charging. So I have to do a board replacement, and I got this replacement board off an Asian website. It's not the one that you shop like a billionaire, it's one of the other ones. So I'm going to put this board on and get her going again. So we just need to remove the old board now. If you're going to attempt this yourself, be very careful, because working with batteries can be a risky old business. You want to avoid that. You want to avoid that kind of thing if you can. Cross connections. Batteries are dangerous. You just need to be very careful. Right, that's the soldering done, so all we'll have to do is put her together and see if she goes. Showing bars anyway. Puts her battery back together and she's showing bars. They're dumber than before, but they're there, you know. I find that in these replacement boards, sometimes the LEDs are a lot dumber than the originals. And if we do a little volt check, she's showing 19.46, which is not just fully charged, but it's getting there. So I'm going to put in the charger and see what it does. So here goes. Red light on, so that's a good sign. That means it's charging. So we'll leave it for a while and see what it does. This battery is taking a full charge now. It's up to a lovely 20 volts. And of course, 4 bars, though they're very dumb with this Asian board that I fitted. Also, pardon the tools, so that's all you would want from a battery. So that's this battery fixed. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Check out my channel for all my other videos, and don't forget to subscribe.